So friends, I got a new book today which is incredible, which is fabulous and which is very much, you know, with has but you know what is the price of this book? Yeah, this book is I got in 300 rupees from Flipkart and this is phenomenal books. Yes, this is Ken Follett, the evening and the morning, and this is best reviewed books on Goodreads. And yes, this book has 800 pages. Oh my god, 800 pages, unbelievable. And this book, I read it, so much awesome. It got 4.4 star on Goodreads, so I will recommend you to read this book. Ken Follett is here. You want to see? He is here. I think you can see it. See it, Ken Follett. He is the awesome man. He wrote such kind of big books, 800 pages, but the story is so much intriguing, so much effective, and I found this story is so much attractive. This book has made my day, and I will recommend you to read this book. This is unexpected. It is very easy to read, very easy to get the story. While I started reading this book, I found myself present there, which is phenomenal because the writer has a capability to give you information that you are present there. And the picturization of their protagonist is so much awesome. And the character, while he is moving towards the story and the telling of story and scenes is very real in this book. So I will suggest you to must go with this book. This book can change your life very easily. Yeah, because this is very easy to read. Everyone can read it, everyone can have it, everyone can enjoy it. This book is phenomenal. This book is very much phenomenal. I would like to say to everyone, just read this book. This is undoubtedly very much good. Ken Follett has written so much simple language. The example of his written language is that the bell struck. Yes, the bell struck. Very simple language. You will, but when he will describe everything in the story, then you will understand how much it is simple to read, but how much it is impactful. It is very emphatic to get the story in a turn which was unexpected. Is a story of a person who has four members in family and who is basically from a family who makes boats and other related things which are related things to sea, and they used to live in a small town, and the protagonist has a girlfriend and he started to meet his girlfriend at night, but suddenly something happened. What happened, I don't know. You should have to read this book. You will get the knowledge, every information in this book, and when you will get every knowledge information, then you will be surprised that how much it is awesome, how much it is phenomenal. This is awesome. So I will suggest you, please read this book, definitely. And this is very much big and lengthy. So, but it is identical to other books also, like J.R.R. Tolkien, Hobbit, and J.R.R. Tolkien other books, Lord of the Rings. Is also identical with, most famous book, Harry Potter series. So you also must read this thing and you will enjoy this book very much. And please subscribe my channel and enjoy.